Why can't I go through this tunnel?
You may only pass through if you have the correct colour truck.
What colour truck do I need to have?
I'll give you a clue.
The tunnel's turned yellow. That means I need to find a yellow truck. Where am I going to find a yellow truck? There's one. Tom Moss has it. Come back here, Tom Moss. Yes, got it.
Well done. You may enter.
Yes.
Who's next?
The tunnel is red. I need to find a red truck. Where am I going to find a red truck? Aha! There's one! Right at the top of Wizard Funding's tower.
Ooh, time for a nap.
How am I going to get it down? Oh, I have an idea.
I'm going to have a quick nap, Sparky. Huh? Was that you, Sparky? What's going on?
Yes, I've got it.
Well done. You may enter.
Yes.
Who's next?
The tunnel is black. I need to find a black truck. Where am I going to find a black truck? Oh, there's one. That was lucky.
I think you're going to be disappointed.
Come on then, let's go. Huh? Come on, truck. I don't have all day. What's wrong?
I have no wheels, silly.
Oh dear, you don't. I have an idea. Hi, Recycling Funling. Do you have any spare truck wheels?
Yes, I do. There you go.
Thank you. Here we are.
Right then. Dum-da-dum-da-dum. All fixed.
Thanks, Fix It Funling.
Well done. You may enter. Who's next?
The tunnel is brown. I need to find a brown truck. Where am I going to find a brown truck? Hi, Cranky. I'm looking for a brown truck. Have you seen one? Oh, yes. In fact, there's one right here at the docks. Oh, excellent. I'll be going through the tunnel in no time. It's just in this crate. There you are. But it's tiny. Well, you didn't specify how big you needed it to be. Who can help me make this truck a little bigger?
Oh, Sparky, I still can't work out what all that banging was.
Wizard Funling,
Oh no! Sparky! Someone's coming! Quick, hide! Hello, hero. How can I help?
Can you please make this brown truck a little bigger?
Why, of course I can! There you go!
Thanks, Wizard Funling.
Well done. You may enter. Now everybody's got their truck.